Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making fair food. And you know the county and state fair? I love going there as a kid and I still love going there as an adult. And one of my favorite foods to make is funnel cakes. And I love when they come out of the hot oil and they blast them with confectioner's sugar. I love that. But I have a slightly different take on it. I add a little matcha powder to my confectioner's sugar. So in preparation, I have 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and I've mixed it with 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. If you like a little more, add more. If you want a little less, add less. And I have it in a sieve ready to go. So when they come out of the hot oil, we'll blast them, just like they do at the fair. So on my cooktop, I have 2 inches of canola oil or any neutral oil with a high smoke point in a big, heavy pot, and I've heated it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is ready to go. Now, the batter's super simple. It's like a pancake batter. And this is half the recipe, so when you go to the website, you're going to see a double recipe because I love to make a lot of them, but I'm gonna make half for you right now. So 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. And you're gonna blend that up. Baking powder is our chemical leavener. It's gonna cause it to rise. And boy, are they gonna grow. They're gonna look like monstrosities, just like at the fair. All right, wet ingredients, because that's all the dry ingredients, super easy. 1 cup of whole milk. If you wanna use a different type of milk, go ahead. 1 large egg, just add it right in. 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil like canola. You could use coconut oil, anything you'd like. And 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, because I love that it's pure vanilla. Tastes so much better. And we're gonna add that right to our dry ingredients. I'm gonna put this in the sink. We're gonna whisk this up. Remember, it's a quick bread, and you don't want to overmix because we don't want to develop gluten. So we're just going to whisk that up. And you can see a little bit of the baking powder working. You can see some bubbles forming of carbon dioxide, and that's what happens. It's double acting, so we're going to have that 1 set of carbon dioxide forming now and another when it hits the oil. Oh, wait, just wait. So that's our batter. All right, everything's blended. Now look what I've done over here. I set up sort of a filling station. So if you don't have a pastry bag, you can use a freezer bag, but I have a pastry bag fitted with a medium-sized plain tip. And look what I did, I made a little stopper. I took a twist tie and I just twisted it on the bottom because this batter is relatively thin. I don't want it to leak through. And I have a nice tall glass. I'm gonna put this in here because Chef Gail is not an octopus and I don't have enough hands to hold everything. Ladle, and I'm going to ladle a little bit of my batter in here. I would ladle about 2 ladles full or about a cup of batter. And that's gonna make a very large, satisfactory funnel cake for you. All right, you ready to fry? Come on over. I'm gonna loosen my stopper, but don't let it come out. And we're gonna go to the oil. Come on over. I have paper towels on a baking sheet, and you're gonna start at the outer circumference of this pan. And you're gonna go close to the oil because it's hot, and you're just gonna keep going around and around and around and around. Keep going, keep going. Look at that baby grow. All right, I'm gonna put my batter down and just look at this. Oh boy, look at this. And you're gonna actually fry it until it turns golden brown, and then we're gonna flip it. And then we're gonna blast it with our sugar. And it goes really fast. Look at that. It's been less than a minute. It's lovely. You are lovely. Don't get too close to your oil. But see how it puffed up? That's that baking powder with that second set of carbon dioxide gas bubbles that it forms, that second reaction. Oh, we're almost ready to flip, and I need reinforcements, so I have tongs because this is just so big, so big. You can make them smaller if you want to, but why would you? Like, why would you? So I'm going to flip it over. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, I'm going to let you get nice and brown. The browner it gets, the crisper it is. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. So give it a second to get nice and brown. You hear it sizzling. That's a happy sound. That's a happy sound. That's a funnel cake that's happy. Are you ready to see it come out? All right. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy, I don't know if I can do it. I'm gonna put it right on my paper towel lined sheet pan. Lovely. Now we're not done yet. So come with me. I am going to move all this good stuff over. I'm going to transfer it, if I can. Remember, it's super hot. Hot! And I'm going to blast it with my matcha. Oh, look at that! Oh my word. Oh boy, oh boy. The State Fair has nothing over on us. Look at that. Oh, wow. I can really smell that matcha. I gotta try it. So you rip some off. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's really crunchy. It's sweet. I taste the matcha. I feel like I'm at the State Fair right now. You gotta try this. Please go to my website, get the recipe, and I hope you become a subscriber because this is amazing. Till next time.